Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video, I'll show you how to fix TikTok too many attempts. To fix TikTok too many attempts, you can either try deleting and reinstalling TikTok or using a VPN. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel. And don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well guys, here are 3 methods to fix the too many attempts on TikTok. First method, you have to delete and reinstall the TikTok. To do so, tap and hold the TikTok app. If you are using an iOS device, the options include start recording, notifications, discover, and more. And then you have to tap remove app here and delete the TikTok. Tap delete again. And after you've deleted TikTok, go to the App Store. Then reinstall the TikTok. I'm gonna search the TikTok, right? And I'm gonna reinstall TikTok now. By deleting and reinstall TikTok, the too many attempts error should be fixed. This is because the app's cache will be cleared. When the app cache is cleared, the IP ban will be lifted on your account. This is because TikTok will open it in a clean slate. And then the second method is use a VPN. To do so, you need to download a free VPN app. After you've downloaded a free VPN app, open it and connect to a VPN. Next, you just have to open your TikTok and try carrying out the same action again. This time, you shouldn't get the too many attempts error. This is because connecting to a VPN masks your IP address. And the third method is wait it out. The final method is to wait it out. The too many attempts error on TikTok is temporary one. Hence, you can wait until the error message is lifted. It typically lasts for under an hour. In some cases, it can last for more than an hour, but it will eventually be lifted. In fact, the solution is already started in the error message. Try again later. So, the conclusion is the too many attempts error means that TikTok has temporarily banned your IP address. This is because you've most likely carried out a similar action too many times. This includes repeatedly sending a code to your phone number or trying to log in repeatedly. So guys, that's all from me. I hope this video will helpful. I'm waiting for your response in the comment box below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon on the next one and good luck!